Welcome to Review Source. Whether you're trying to attract hummingbirds or just want the sound of moving water without a massive electricity bill, these units are surprisingly capable. Today, we're covering the best solar garden fountains, chosen for their panel efficiency, pump durability, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SZMP Solar Fountain. We're starting with the SZMP because it solves the biggest problem with cheap solar pumps, the panel. Most budget options use plastic that oxidizes and turns white after a month, but this one packs a 3.5-watt full glass panel. It's built to last and maintains high light transmission, so you get a consistent spray between 12 and 20 inches. It comes with 7 nozzles, giving you plenty of ways to customize the flow to attract specific birds. The anti-drift design is the real winner here. It uses 4 fixed rods to keep the pump centered, which means the water actually stays in the basin instead of spraying all over your patio. We've seen feedback that it's a beast on Arizona decks, starting up the second the sun hits it. However, if you live in an area with hard water, you should definitely use filtered water to prevent mineral buildup in the pump. It doesn't have a battery, so it's strictly a daytime performer, but the specialized filtration box does a solid job of keeping debris out of the motor. It's a safe, smart pick for anyone who wants a low-maintenance, reliable water feature that won't look like garbage after one season.
Number 2. Mademax Solar Fountain. If you're looking for something budget-friendly and straightforward, the Mademax is the standard choice. It runs on a 1.4W panel and activates in about 3 seconds once it's in direct sunlight. It's a floating unit, but it includes a retractable retainer that keeps it from drifting to the edge and emptying your bird bath. You get 6 nozzles in the box, including a bubble mode, which we recommend for smaller setups to minimize splashing. It's designed for oxygenating small ponds or keeping water moving in shallow basins to prevent mosquitoes from moving in. We have to be real about the limitations here. This unit has 0 energy storage, so if a cloud passes over, the party is over until the sun comes back. Some users have reported reliability issues after the first month of heavy use, so you'll want to keep the filter clean and the water topped off to protect the motor. It's a solid entry-level option that gets the job done without any complicated wiring. It's perfect for a simple DIY project where you just want a little movement and a soothing sound during the brightest parts of the day.
Number 3. AISITIN Solar Fountain. This is the one you buy if you want flexibility. The AISITIN features a 3.5-watt panel with a separated DIY design, meaning the panel and the pump are connected by a 9.8-foot cord. We love this because you can mount the solar panel on a wall or stake it in the sun while keeping the pump in a shaded corner or a decorative pot. It's powerful enough to hit an 85-centimeter spray height, which is impressive for a unit this size. It also features 3 retractable brackets that act like outriggers to keep it perfectly centered in any bird bath. The technical performance is strong, but it can be a bit finicky. In partial sun, it tends to spurt in an on-again, off-again fashion, rather than providing a steady stream. It also lacks a battery, so don't expect it to run after dusk. Some feedback suggests it's almost too powerful for tiny bird baths, as the high-pressure nozzles can empty a small bowl in a couple of hours if you aren't careful. If you have a larger pond or a creative garden setup where the sun doesn't hit the water directly, this split system design is a beast for the price.
Number 4. POPOSOAP Solar Fountain. For those who want high-end performance, even when the weather isn't cooperating, the POPOSOAP is a premium contender. It packs a 6.5-watt panel, and more importantly, a 3,000 mAh battery backup. This means it stores energy to keep the water flowing during cloudy intervals, which is a massive upgrade over the basic sun-only models. It also features dry run protection, so the pump automatically shuts off if the water level drops too low. This prevents the motor from burning out, which is the #1 cause of death for these devices. The design is animal-friendly and incredibly quiet, making it a favorite for LBBs, or little brown birds that might be spooked by louder pumps. It comes with 8 spray modes and a 5-foot section of tubing, so you can actually use it to build a small waterfall or a stream. While the battery is a great feature, don't expect it to run all night. It's mostly there to bridge the gap during shadows. Number 5. Lewisia Solar Fountain Pump. The Lewisia is the go-to pick if you want your garden to look good after the sun goes down. It features a 5-watt glass panel and an 1800 milliamp battery that powers 5 integrated LED lights. This gives you a colorful, illuminated display in the evening, which is something the other models on this list just can't do. The panel is made of glass for better durability and easier cleaning, and it includes a metal mounting bracket that lets you put it on a wall or a ground stake for maximum sun exposure. It offers 2 working modes, high and low, so you can adjust the spray height to fit your specific basin. We've seen feedback that the battery can keep the pump and lights running for 6 to 7 hours after sunset if it gets full sun during the day. The pump itself is quite small, so you might need to secure it with a few rocks to keep it upright if you're using the taller nozzles. It's a versatile, high-quality kit that adds a whole different vibe to your patio at night. And that wraps up the top 5 best solar garden fountains. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest garden picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.